I-21 zika-Ephreli 2026, uGeneral Fanny Masemula wavela phambi kwenkantolo njengoba incwadi eyayivela ku-IDEC yayithi avele enkantolo ngomhla ka-21. Then isiteyti sase sithi njengoba evelile sifuna ukum-eda si-amende ne-charge sheet amane avele nayo yonke le nqwaba le yabo Vusumuzi Cat Matlala nayo bonke labo brigadier nalabo abanye ababoshiwe. Yasiyahlehliswa-ke usuku lokuvela kwakhe enkantolo to usuku lwanamhlanje umhla ka-13 kuMeyi 2026. Bavelile-ke enkantolo namuhla. I-status kakayi-amendi i-charge sheet yaso. Kodwa uGeneral Fanny Masemula ediwe as u-accused number 17 kulolu daba oluthinta uKat Matlala. Okusho ukuthi udaba lwakhe selihamba nodaba likaKat Matlala lonke.
Morning.
Good morning, Your Worship.
Good morning.
Your Worship, State calls case number A16/212/2026 in the matter of State versus Vusumuzi Matlala and others. All the accused are before court, Your Worship. Accused number 1 is currently in custody and the remainder of the accused are on bail. The appearances for today are as follows. The date being the 13th of May 2026. Presiding officer is Mr. Kriya. Public Prosecutor Advocate S. Manilal. Interpreter, if required, is Mr. Makale. The court clerk is Mr. Fries. May I have leave to hand in the charge?
Thank you.
Your Worship, on record for accused number 1 is Mr. Maluleka. On record for accused number 2 is also Mr. Maluleka. On record previously for accused number 3 was Mr. Fobe. However, Advocate Mkhize will be on record for accused number 3 this morning. On record previously for accused number 4 was Mr. Maluleka. This morning, Ms. Modibela appears on behalf of accused number 4. Previously, accused number 5 was represented by Mr. Matikela. This morning, Ms. Zwane is standing in on behalf of Mr. Matikela. On record for accused number 6 was Mr. Mataba. This morning, it's Mr. Matabohe for accused number 6. On record for accused number 7 is Mr. Fobe. Accused number 8 and 9 are the corporate accused. Accused number 8 is Medicare 24 Tshwane District Pty Ltd, represented by accused number 1. And the corporate accused number 9, Luxo Africa, is also represented by accused number 1. On record for accused number 10 is Advocate Lobser. For number 11 is Advocate Bischoff. The previous representative of accused number 12 was Advocate Nechiaba. This morning, Mr. Mashishi appears on behalf of accused number 12. On record previously for accused number 13 was Advocate Mumalo. This morning, Mr. Saleka will appear on behalf of accused number 13. For accused number 14 is Advocate Lupondo. For accused number 15 is Advocate Haasbroek. And for accused number 16 is Ms. Kubeka. Your Worship, the defense will confirm the appearances on behalf of the accused.
Thank you.
Worship, in terms of Section 157 of the Criminal Procedure Act, the state will be joining a further accused, Seslashle Fani Masemola, appearing on case number A16/282/2026 to the current case before court on case number A16/212/2026. The state requests leave to call Mr. Masemola to the dock, Your Worship. This accused will be accused number 17 in this matter.
Where is Mr. Masemola?
Mr. Masemola.
There he is.
Thank you, Your Worship. Mr. Masemola is represented by Advocate Sikakane SC.
briefed by Silika attorneys, I confirm.
So your request that he be joined as accused number 17 on case number 16/212/26, and that case, the charge sheet, case 1628, is it, you've got the same case number? No, it's a different case number. 282/26 be closed. Is that
That's
correct?
correct, Your Worship.
Mr. Shitankane, you are fine with this arrangement?
Yes, I so confirm.
Mr. Masemola, you will remember that you have appeared previously as alone in the matter. The prosecutor now requested, and it is granted, that you now been joined as accused number 17 in the other case, case number 16/212/26. You understand, sir? Sorry? Good. Thank you.
ngobuzwa ukuthi uGeneral Fani Masemola ediwe la bazo amend i-charge sheet bashilo bathi izothi mayesefika ngokuzayo iyobe bese amendiwe i-charge sheet. Isizathu senza ukuthi ngibe interested kangaka ekuzweni i-charge sheet, more especially kumacala azothweswa wona, ngoba ngokwazi kwethu uGeneral Masemola ulapha ya for violating i-PFMA okuyi-Public Funds Management Act, kodwa uku-edwa kwakhe kule case ye-360 million ka-Kurt Matlala sesiraise ama-questions amaningi. So yingakho-ke i-charge sheet sisidinga ukuyizwa, ngoba iyona ezosichazela kabanzi ukuthi General Masemola yini le oyenzile wena ekwenza ukuthi u-edwe nalaba, ngoba ukube ngikuya ngokucabanga kwami ubezo-charge yedwa ngoba noma lilinkeka kwi-case, kodwa olwakho udaba alifaki yona i-corruption, belifaka nje ukuthi njenge-accounting officer akenzanga kahle in terms of i-PFMA, akalandelanga umthetho. Kodwa njengoba manje sejajwe kanje sekufuneka sazi kwenzakaleni. Icala ke lihlehlele umhla ka-26 kuJune 2026. Bonke abameli ke abamelo accused laba bakhona bakuvumile lokho ukuthi hayi abanankinga ne-arrangement eyenziwe ukuthi icala lihlehliselwe umhla ka-26 kuJune. Kodwa ngiyafisa ukwazi mina nje ukuthi yini le eyenza ukuthi afakwe kanye noKurt Matlala endaweni eyodwa, ngoba manje icala beseliyahambelana, sefuneka manje kuchazwe kabanzi. Kodwa ke sizozwa ke ngomhla ka-26 kuJune mhlawumbe kule charges akhulunywe ngawo ngeviki eliphelile bazowafunda amanye ama-charges, so bese sizwa lapho ke imininingwane eminingi. Yingakho nje ngikucaphunele le part yasecourt njengoba uzwile ukuthi bababize bodwa laba, yena wayesebizwa bamazisa naye ukuthi usujoyine kanye nalaba, senihamba icala elilodwa manje. Awazi ngijahe i-trial kanjani. Ngiyazi ukuthi bonke o-accuse abakhona laba ngaphandle ngebheli phandle kukaKurt Matlala, and uma lukhulunywa udaba lwakhe lapha enkantolo, uKurt Matlala ufaka isicelo sokuthi ucela ukuthi aqhubeke abe ngapha eGosimampuru, angabuyisele eBhongweni, ngoba abameli bakhe basazofuna ukuconsulta naye, and in the interest of justice kuzofuneka ukuthi bakwazi ukuxhumana naye kalula. Naso leso sicelo leso ke sibe impumelelo ke naleso sicelo. uGeneral Fani Masemola uma esephuma enkantolo uhlangane nentatheli yambuza imibuzo ebalekile, yona nje ngifisa ukucaphunela yona ivideo yakhona uyibone, ngoba imibuzo abambuzana ibalekile. Nami bangadibana naye bengingambuza, ngoba njengoba ngididekile nje ngidide ukuthi manje General ufakwa kanjani kwi-case eyodwa noKurt Matlala, ufakwa kanjani ngempela, ufakwa kanjani? So kwamina ilo mbuzo le engizibuzayo, nentatheli ibuze lo mbuzo lo, ngabona le ntatheli ifunda umqondo wami. Ngicela ke uzwe la.
What do you say to the nation, especially those who support you, who say you shouldn't be in the dock with the rest of the accused?
Well, I didn't bring myself in, so I unfortunately don't know also what is happening,
Yeah.
and probably somebody somewhere knows what is happening.
What kind of a toll has this taken on you? I mean, you are suspended. I imagine you would rather be out fighting crime.
Well, I can't say much more than that. So, yeah, it's one of those things. I think there is more to it. I don't know what it is, but surely there is more to just the rule of law.
Do you think it's the criminal elements perhaps within the SAPS trying to get rid of you?
Well, I don't think it will be SAPS alone. I think there is somewhere there is some greater motive.
General Masemula akuyena ozilethe enkantolo ngakho ke angeke akwazi ukuchaza ukuthi kungani efakwa kwicase eyodwa nale kaMatlala. And uqinisile akusena vele osifaka court kodwa uthi sizozwa nathi njengoba sonke sizibuza imibuzo. Kodwa negama lisho ngasekugcineni mabembuza ukuthi ngokwakho ucabanga akacabanga ukuthi there is a motive from a group yamaphoyisa ethize abafuna ukumgudlula lapha endleleni. Uthena kodwa akacabanga ukuthi ngaba iSAPS yodwa. Le nkulumo kaGeneral Masemula mangizwa mina ngizwa ethi lana kunetulo kodwa akulona leSAPS yodwa bukhona nabanye abayingxenye yaleli tulo akuyona iSAPS yodwa. Ngimuzwa ngathi usho njalo uGeneral Fani Masemula ukuthi hayi lana yitulo kodwa akuyona iSAPS yodwa. Asazi ke sizozwa ke makuhamba isikhathi. Sizozwa makuhamba isikhathi. Iqiniso linendlela yokuphuma. And enkantolo la izinto ezikhulunywa khona zivele. Njengoba ke udaba lwabo lihlehlela umhla ka26 kuJune la sizozwa khona ukuthi kwenzakalani. Kodwa nje lona lihlehlela umhla ka26 kuJune. Angikholwa kodwa ukuthi ngomhla ka26 June khona into ezizokhulunywa. Ngoba into efika yashuwo istate lapho ukuthi mabeza ngomhla ka26 June baphathe ama-USB bezokwazi ukuba share information edocket. Okusho ukuthi mase bethole leyo information kuzofuneka ukuthi bahambe bayistudisha ama-lawyer consultant nama-client wabo. Manje ayikho into ezokhulunywa mhla ka26 nje kuzofika uGeneral Masemula amendwe amatshilo kuzana i-charge sheet abe u-accused number 17 suwezwe namacala wakhe emveni kwalapho ba-confirm indaba yama-USB banikezwe lo information. Then inenye ezobe sikhulunywa ngoba fanele banikezwe isikhathi sokuthi bakwazi to go through that information bese liyakhulunywa kodaba lwabo kubonakala kwenziwa kanjani. Ingakho nje ngithi nami malifika ngomhla ka26 June lisazophinde lihlehle futhi hlehle lenye date. Angibambe le video bengithi angikuphi update ngoba lolu daba lika General selikhulume kakhulu eboshwa. Ngakho ke asikwazi ukulishiya nje emoyeni funa sambe nalo size sifike ekugcineni njengoba salikhuluma kwasekuqaleni ukuthi uGeneral uboshiwe akaboshiwe uGeneral bamnikeze ilethe ukuthi akavele phambi kwenkantolo ngomhla ka21 ngempela wavela. Saphinde futhi bathi hayi hlehlisela namhlanje umhla ka13 usevelile futhi phambi kwenkantolo. Mina naba sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.